at my mother-in-law's house, and I just got done installing this humidifier by Honeywell. It's a Humidifier toute la maison, or a whole house humidifier and humidistat. I picked this up at Home Depot, and I believe it was 200 and something. You just got your water supply, which comes from up above and over here, from the water heater. Took it off of the hot water side. I heard that you get a little bit better humidity distribution with hot water compared to cold water. The instructions said to use either or, so I opted for the hot. I got your drain line, just runs right to there. Electric line that runs right to here. I had to put this cover on, and to get a receptacle there was already a switch there, so that was no big deal. And the control wires go right over to a humidistat, which is actually cut into the return line, so it registers from the return air. And then the other part is this pressure switch. It registers the suction from the return line and the pressure from the supply line. Basically lets it know that the furnace is running. It was pretty simple to install. If you were thinking about getting one of these but weren't sure if you wanted to install it or not, it's really simple. The only tool that you need that's probably out of the ordinary is some tin snips, which I had, so it wasn't a big deal. 3/4 inch drill to put these little grommets in. It come with everything. The only thing I had to buy was that cover and the receptacle. Everything else it came with all these little clips. The clips were actually a little bit too big, so I took pieces of this tubing and cut it and put it in there so it holds this tubing tight. Put a couple of those, one up there, a couple zip ties. It came with this saddle valve, which was very simple to install. Yeah, I supplied the zip ties, but yeah, that's it. And we'll see how it works. But she's been complaining it's been dry in here, so we'll see. This should do the trick. All right, folks, adios.